Yesterday we configured, when coming to enterprise structure, we configured company, company code and plant. From today onwards, we will configure remaining sessions. So, I mean remaining topics what we have, sales of distribution channel, division, sales office and rest of the things now we will do. So, for this, now I am going to SAP, okay, and SPRO, go to SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure. So, go to here, definition. So this node is completed on yesterday, company and company code in logistic general. When coming to plant, plant is also we configure. Now go to define copy check division. So click on here. See here, we have so many divisions. Okay, like food, elevators, high tech. I mean, so we have different divisions. They are mentioned on the specific numbers, and some is alphanumerical, some is alphabetical, like that. Now also we need to configure division for this whatever the organization we have. So here no need to copy, just click on new entries. Okay, and I am giving here specification, that is R1 and R5. Okay, this is for the medicines division, and second is for the equipments division. That means, see here, an entry already exists with same key. That means now here I am entered R1. R1 is already, someone is created in the system. That's why it's overlapped. I mean it's collaborated with that. That's why it's saying that entry is already existed. That's why now I need to change this like R6. Okay, now system is fine with this. Okay, division is what we have discussed. It is nothing but grouping of product based on their categorization. Okay, now in R6 division I am keeping all the medicines. Okay, all the medical things I keep in R6 division. So in equipments, all this I stored in R5 division. That's why I am giving two different naming conventions and two descriptions. Now I am saving this. Okay, so now it's saved. So now division is R5 and R6. So come back and close this. So now logistic general is, I mean whatever the things we need to configure in logistic general, that's also completed. Now go to sales and distribution. Okay, now go to sales and distribution. This is the pure node which is belongs to the SAP SD. I mean those SD consultants only responsible for this. Okay, now I am going to here sales organization. Delete, copy and check sales organization. Click here, define sales org. Okay, see here we have different sales organizations again. Okay, which is related to other countries. Take it as 1,000 as a standard, and here copy, otherwise double click on here, it's for better understand. So now either we need to grow from that way, or otherwise we have to click in this way also. Click on copy. See here, this is the thousand sales organization replica. Now I need to change all this. Okay, our sales organization is now, I name it as a RLSO. Removing this, Redis Laboratory Sales org. Okay, statistical currency. Currency is, what is our currency? INR. Okay, see here, here the customer intercompany billing, as of now it's not required. I mean in the sense like in upcoming sessions we have a significance of this field. In that time I came here and I explain each and everything. Okay, just click on enter. Okay, enter. See, Now we need to give a address here. Address. This is the company. So removing this, Reddy's Laboratory Private Limited, sales org. Okay, and search term is RLSO. When coming to street and house number, whether it is located in okay house number. Now I am giving postal code. Okay, it is located, suppose understand it is located in Pune. Country IN. When coming to region, click on here. Okay, and this is comes under 13th division because it is located in Maharashtra, that's why. So time zone is same. Okay, remove this post box and postal code, and our language is English because this is copied from German standard one, that's why it's showing all those details. When go to English and removing this data, once click on enter. S. Okay, number of copied entries 1. As of now, save this. I mean, all these are the address, text, name, letterhead. These are the details. I mean, those are address, exactly, text, sender details. So as of now, you ignore this. These might have don't affect on further. Just save this. Click on enter. Click on enter. Okay. Now I created one sales org. Again, I am trying to create another sales org from this RLSO. Okay. I am copied that, and here I am giving a naming convention that RLS2 lab, I mean sales organization 2. Okay, click on enter. Now it is asking address again. So now I am taking this in Hyderabad. So in postal code might changes. Give me some random postal code which is Hyderabad area. Click here, enter, and save. Okay. So what I did, I created two sales organization, RLLO and RLS2. RLS2. Okay. So now sales organization is also completed. And when coming to distribution channel, go here. In below we have a one more node. What is that? Distribution channel. Go to define distribution channel. Okay. Distribution channel here, no, there is a no need to copy from the others, and just click on new entries. So already we know distribution channel means the way we selling the goods to customer. In which way we are selling, that is. Now I am giving those names as RO and RS. That means so giving naming convention laboratory online sales. Okay. In laboratory I am performing online sales. For that I give a distribution channel RO, and retail sales laboratory. I mean I am selling the goods in retail way like supermarket shops. So I am giving that distribution channel. I defined the distribution channel as RS. Click on enter. Okay, and save this. Save this. Okay. Now this data is also saved. RO and RS. These are the distribution channels. Okay. Come back again. Close this and go to maintain sales office. Okay. Sales office is the office which is exist within sales organization and which is also responsible for the sales related activities. Now click on here. So there is a function node can't be selected. That means just we have to click on new entries, give one sales office. Okay, I am giving those naming convention as RSOF and description as, that is laboratory sales office. So click on enter. Okay, now I am giving this to the address. Sales office and search term RSOF. So give this as also, and postal code also, again city, and country, region is also 13. Okay, English. Click on enter and reverse chosen and save this. Sales office is also created. Sales office is also created. So now go to here. So now I am maintaining each and every data on Excel. Okay, because I am showing this practice, you are also following this, because whatever the configuration we did in SAP, when we are going from one tab to another tab, we will forgot, there might be a chance to forget. That's why I am showing my practice also. See here. Okay, our sales org is existed here. Now come back, go to maintain sales group. What is that? Go to maintain sales group. First of all, just you need to click here. So function node can't selected. I mean, we don't have any subdivisions. Just click on new entries, enter sales group. Okay. See here. I mentioned here 3 letters RSG. So before that, what we have configured, like sales organization, plant, and sales organization, plant, all those are 4 digits I give, because system will have a limit for the sales organization, company code will have only 4 digits, plant and these things. Okay, when coming to distribution channel and division, what I did here, see here, company code and plant I give 4 digits, and sales organization 4, and sales office also 4. Divisions I give 2 digits only. That's why otherwise I have to give these also 4, otherwise I give these also 2. No, SAP have a limit. What is that? So when coming to, they have a limit specification, just you have to give 4 letters only. Just there is a limit for 2 letters only. For the sales office, it have a limit for the 4 letters. Now sales group, it have a limit for the 3 digits only. Okay, and laboratory sales group and save here. Now sales and distribution node is also completed. Okay, so and we have one more thing in last, when coming to logistics execution. Okay, at the same time we have a one shipping point need to configure. Actually we have a one class regarding to this shipping point in depthly, Just I am explaining you here basics, what is what, that's it. Because so we have a separate session and separate class for this, because when we are going to real time, when from coming to enterprise structure, how could you taking out the shipping point, I mean where it is located exactly, you need to check. For in such purpose I am explaining this. Other than that, when we are going to that class I am explaining in depthly. Okay, see here, storage location is also that we have a separate session for the for that, for your awareness. And in enterprise structure level, how where it is existed, I mean what are the things in which have I'm explained those things. Now see here, I click on maintain storage section. So see here, it is asking that the plant, what is that plant, what is the plant we created, just we need to enter here. What is the plant we created? RLPT. Enter on here, because we have to create a storage location under plant. Already we discussed when coming to enterprise structure. So storage location and shipping point might exist within plant. Okay, so click on here, new entries, storage location, laboratories, storage location. See, click on here and address tab, because in storage location is existed within the plant, so that's why we don't need to maintain a separate address. But in real time, or in some rare cases, how it will happen now, so storage location is existed apart from that plant. Okay, apart from that, I mean like one plant is located in another location, in such a time we need to give a address. In rare cases, mostly it might not happen, maybe rare and rare cases. I also see on one or two cases, so that's it. So that's why I'm not entering any address here, and save this. Okay, save this. Storage location I maintained RSL. For your awareness purpose, I explained here, because there might not be a chance. I don't know. I mean, I don't have idea. In such words, I'm not listen from you. That's why I'm saying, just for awareness. So, and when coming to logistic execution, we have a separate session and separate class for this. But see here, from enterprise structure also, how will you open shipping point? See here. Here we have 1,000. This is a standard one when coming to the shipping point. Okay. We have all these things in shipping point. Like shipping point is, what is that? From this point, goods are delivered to customer. From this point, goods are delivered to customer based on this all these factors. In from which country it is going, departure zone. I mean from where it is going exactly. And with factory calendar, in the sense, based on this calendar deliveries will happen. When coming days I will explain those things. And how much time is required, loading time, I mean goods will taken out and place it into the container, so we have to loading that. Okay, pick pack time, I mean how much time required for the packing. So all these details and address details. Okay, so now I am copying this. Okay, this is also 4-digit convention, so there is a limit for the 4 digits. Shipping point, click on enter. So see here, it's asking about address. Now I am giving those details, whether this might be located near or far. Laboratory Private Limited, shipping point. So shipping point, I mean search term I give it as RSHP. When coming to street, so house number, give it randomly, and postal code, give it to 5000. At the same time city, Hyderabad, and country, India, region wise 1, When coming to time zone, India. Transportation zone. Here one thing is came. What is that? When coming to other addresses, when we are giving plant and uh, sales organization, it will not ask. Here only it asks. The reason is that based on this transportation zone, further it will help for the route determination. So in upcoming classes, it will help for the route determination. Route means the way which we selling the container with loading goods to the customer. Okay, so it will help in such a way. Click on enter here. Okay, and save here, enter. Okay, so I maintained here. The shipping point is also RSHP. Okay, so this is the definition part. Close this. Okay, this is the definition part. So when coming to assignment part, so what I did from yesterday and today, I go to definition and financial accounting. I define company and company code. In logistic general plant and division. When coming to sales and distribution, sales of sales organization, distribution channel, sales office and sales group. Okay, when coming to material management, storage location. When coming to logistics execution, shipping point, all these things are defined here. Okay, now go to assignment. Okay, now we need to make a assignment field. A definition in the sense, just there is a no data is existed when coming to our company or our organization. Just I am created what are the organizations which we have in our company in the definition node. Now assignments in the sense, now I am linking each and every factors. What is that? Now I am linking each and everything what I defined in definition. Okay, so see here. In assignment level, each and how we have defined in each and every node, in assignment level also we have to doing that. Okay, so but these have some rules, for example, whenever we are assigning one sales organization to company code or one company to company code, there might be a certain things and certain rules. Okay, now we will see for those things also. Before that I am assigning those things, then I will explain this. See here. First, as usual, come to financial accounting. Okay, here we have so many different things. See here, assign company code to company code to credit control area, business area to consolidation business, different names. Because all these activities are related to financial FICO consultant. So when coming to FICO consultant, he or she will responsible for these activities. Okay, they will responsible for this activity, but we need to run our enterprise structure forward. We have basic awareness, just we have to configure these things. Assign company code to company. Click on here and go to position. See here. Now this is in a change mode. How I said this? Because see here, all these things are in white field. Okay. Now if I want to change here, see here, I entered here one number. It is showing. This is in a change mode. When I am clicking on this symbol, see here, whenever you want to go to change mode or display mode, click on the spec symbol here. Okay, click on spec symbol. I mean, just I entered one entry, na, that's why. No, I don't want to save any entry. Okay, see here, it is it is in a display mode. Now I want to change anything, it will not change. Again, click on display or change mode. Okay, go to position, enter the company code which we created on yesterday. Click on here. See, enter here assignment of company code to company. What is that? Assign company code to company. This is our company code and now I need to assign this to our company. RLPL. Click on enter. Okay. Save here. Now the assignment is from company code to company is completed. Yeah. And see here, Next, close this. Come to logistics general. Assign plant to company code. What is that? Plant to company code. Click on this button. Okay. And go to positions. What is our plant? RL, PT. Okay. Is there any entries exist? No. Because now we need to assign this plant to company code. Click on entries. See here. So in above we have a description. What is that in header? Company code, plant. Okay, company name. First, what is our company code? RL, HT. When coming to plant, RL, PT. We have configured yesterday 4 different plants. We have configured yesterday 4 plants. So how we why we created these 4 plants? So that when coming to going forward, it will help us to determine different things. Okay, in such a time it will helpful to us. That's why now I am assigning those all these things. See here, again I am entering my company code, and what is my plant? RL, P2 and RL, HT, RL, P3 and RL, HT, RL. See here, I entering those details and click on enter. See here, name of the plant, at the same time company name. It will be displaying all these details. Okay, click on save. Now this assignment is also done. Okay, now go to position, plant and click on execute. See here, 4 things. Okay, these 4 things are now I configured. Now I assign these 4 things. Those are appeared here. So now in assign plant to company code, assignment is also completed. Now come to main node, and which is more focusing node, which is important to us, sales and distribution node. What are the things we are configured and what are the game we are playing from SD, from this only, from this side only. Okay. So in real time also, whenever we got stuck in any organization level, whenever we want to check any SD related things also, we have to go from here only. Okay. Whether the client must provide a system or the business must provide a system to us. But our thing is, maybe in real time we might, in some organizations and some project we might have a chance to configure these things, but in something some projects, so we don't might get a chance to configure those things. Business might provide ready made data. In that time, what we have to do, we have to go each and every node and we have to check whether we have to stuck in anywhere. Okay, that's why I'm explaining each and everything. Go to assign sales organization to company code. Okay, go to position, enter our sales organization. Okay, see here, our sales organization we have. What is our company code? RL, HD. Click on enter. See here, we have 2 different sales organization, RLS1 and RLS2, because we created 2 sales organizations. See here, RLS1 and RLS2. Here also assign this RLHD. Click on enter and again save this. Save this. Data saved. Assignment of sales organizations to company code is also completed. Next, come back. Assign distribution channel to sales organization. Assign distribution channel to sales organization. Click on here. Positions, RL, SO. See here. Need to assign. Click on new entries. Sales organization. What is our distribution channel? We have 2 distribution channels. We have here 2 distribution channels, RO and RS. Okay, need to assign those 2 things, RO and RS. Again enter sales organization and RS. Click on enter. See, Online sales, at the same time retail sales, sales organization. Click on enter. Come back. Distribution channel assignment is also completed. Now assign division to sales organization. Okay, coming to new entries, sales organization. At the same time, how many divisions we have created? We have created two divisions. One is R5 and R6. For what purpose we created? One is for the medical purpose and second thing is for the equipment purpose. Okay, RL and R5 and R6. See here R5, and when coming to sales organization, RLSO and R6. Click on enter and save this. Okay, again come back. See here we have a one node. What is that? Setup sales area. What is that? Setup sales area. Before that, what is sales area? We have to set up sales area. That's okay. Before that, we need to know that what is sales area. Sales area is nothing but sales organization and distribution channel division. What is that? Sales organization plus distribution channel and division. Combination of these three things. Those sales organization, from the which organization, in which way goods are distributed, from which division. That is the meaning of sales organization. Okay. Combination of sales of distribution channel division. Simply from which organization, in which way, from which division, from which group, okay, from which range goods are distributed to customer. That is the sales organization. One more thing here, sales line. One word here I am mentioning. What is that? Sales line. Okay, sales line, sales organization and distribution channel. Combination of sales organization and distribution channel. That means from which organization, which way. From which organization to which way. That is the sales line. Okay. Now here I am setting sales area. Click on setup sales area. Okay. Continue entries. Sales organizations RLLO, and what is our distribution channel? RO and RS. RO and RS. At the same time sales org RLSO and division R5 and R6. Click on enter. Okay. So sales organization and distribution channel division with name, with description also came here. We have another sales organization also in our config. We have created another sales organization RL S2. Okay, RL S2, distribution channel RO, RS and R5 and R6. Click on enter. See here, entry RLS2 RO does not exist. Why? Entry RLS2 RO R6 does not exist. It says that. Okay, for why it is saying, I am explaining you. Okay, see here, first I am removing this. Okay, I am removing this. Okay, and come back. Save this. As of now, save this. Why it is not explained, I will explain it. Okay, save here. Come back. Okay, now assign sales office to sales area. Sales office to sales area. Come to new entries. Sales organization is RL SO. At the same time, distribution channel is, what is our distribution channel? RO and
RO RS.
RS. RO
RS.
and RS, and this is our sales organization, and division is R5 and R6. And when coming to sales office, RSOF, RSOF. Click on enter. Okay. Now this assignment is also done. Click on save. Click on save. Come back. Assign sales group to sales office. Next thing is assign sales group to sales office. What is our sales office? RSOF and sales group RSG. Click on enter and save this. Save this. And what is the next configuration? Assign sales and sales organization and distribution channel to plant. What is that? Sales, simply sales line to plant. Sales organization and distribution channel means sales line. Assign this to plant. Click on here. Come to new entries. Sales organization. Sales organization. At the same time, distribution channel is RO and RL, and
RS, ma'am. Distribution. RO and RS.
yeah, RO and RS. And when coming to plant, RL PT. Click on enter and save this. Okay, save this. Here the sales and distribution assignment is also completed. Here I will explain you few more points. Why it is here it gives a error. Okay, see here. Here we have some rules. What is that? So when coming to sales organization to company code, and one company code can have many sales organizations, because while we are assigning these things, we might have some rules. So how many things, I mean how many organizations or how many nodes we have to assign. Go to here, and one company code can have many sales organizations. Suppose whenever I am assigning one company code, okay, when company code under, we have so many organizations like sales organization 1 and sales organization 2, like that. This is the rule for the assign sales organization to company code. At the same time, second thing is sales organization to distribution channel. Sales organization to distribution channel. This is the sales organization. When coming to distribution channel, I have to assign many to many. I mean, for the one sales organizations, I am assigning so many distribution channel 2, distribution channel 3, like that. At the same time, one distribution channel I have to assign so many sales organizations also. That is the meaning. And next thing is assign sales organization to division. What is that? Sales organization to division. That is also same. Sales organization to division. One sales organization I need to assign so many divisions. And when coming to these things are only set up sales area, sales office, and plant to company code. What is that? Plant to company code. Because one company code we have so many plants. What is that? When coming to one company code, we have to assign so many plant. Plant 1, at the same time plant 2 and plant 3. Okay, at the same time we have to assign one plant to so many company code. This company code, and this, if we have second company code, we have to assign this plant also, like that. Assign sales organization and distribution channel to plant. Sales organization and distribution channel to plant. I mean simply sales line to plant. So as of now these assignments are completed. Logistics general and sales notes. When coming to material management, see here, all this data is related to purchase organization related. As of now, we are not configured any purchase org. So in upcoming classes, we will configure. In that time, I will tell you. So for specific process. And when coming to logistics as execution, what is that? Logistic execution. We have lost one more assignment. That is that assign shipping point to plant. Assign shipping point to plant. Click on here, assign shipping point to plant. See here, above you are seeing the symbols, that find symbol. Click on this find. Here enter our plant, because we are assigning our plant to shipping point. Now what is our plant? RL PT. RL PT. Click on here. Okay, and assign. So now search here. Where is our shipping point? Where is our shipping point? Where is our shipping point? It starts with R. RSHP is our shipping point. Okay, click on save. Click on save. Here the shipping point assignment is also completed. Come back and go to here, assign, and click on find RLPT and click on here. Okay, RLPT is assigned to our shipping point RSHP. This is the configuration thing. So again I am going to the Excel. Here I see one more thing. Assign shipping point to plant. Now I made a thing. What is that? Shipping plant and assignment is done. Here we have a one specification. What is that? So one plant I have to assign many shipping point. For the one plant I have to assign shipping point 1 and shipping point 2 and shipping point 3. I have to assign so many shipping points. Okay, but one shipping point must be assigned to one plant only, because for example here in plant 3 I have to assigning shipping point 3. Suppose in plant 4 I am assigning shipping point 4. In plant 5 I am assigning shipping point 5. Like that. One plant we have, one shipping point we have to assign one plant only. This is in one case. But when coming to in SAP we have the another case. What is that? Many to many. I mean if both are located in same premises. Okay, both are located in the same premise in the sense, for example, if one plant is located in another location, one shipping point is located in different location, whether it is in Pune, and one other plant and another shipping point is located in Hyderabad location. Correct? In such case, because they are in two different places, in such case we have to assign one plant to one shipping point only. Pune plant we have to assign Pune shipping point, and Hyderabad plant I have to assign Hyderabad shipping point only. When those two are in the same places, for example they are two plant and two shipping point are in the same premises, in the sense they are very near. Okay, very near. In such a case we have to assign many to many plants to many shipping points, many shipping points to many plants. That is the rule. Okay, that is the rule. When coming to last thing, what is that? Company. Last thing in the sense already we configured it is in the first. Assign company to company code. What is that? Company to company code. The rule is that we have to assign one company to many company codes. One company we have so many company codes. Company code at Hyderabad, company code at Pune, and company code at another state. Like that, we have one company, we have so many company codes, and one company code we have to assign one company. Okay, and this is the explanation regarding to the enterprise structure definition and assignment. So today we have completed those two things. So before with that, what did go to enterprise structure, here definition and assignment. In definitions I have defined all those things. When coming to assignment, so I have assigned those things what we defined in definition tab. Okay, so enterprise structure portion is completed from today. Okay, from next class onwards we have to start from the master data topics. Okay, master data topics, and this is the session for today. And from anyone, if you have any doubts, now it's your turn.